So here the example, find the sum of first 24 terms of list of numbers whose nth term is given by. So nth term is given as an is equal to 3 plus 2n, and you are supposed to find sum of first 24 terms. Sum of first 24 terms, that means S24 you should find. So for that they have given the nth term, last term is of the form 3 plus 2n. So to find Sn, you have a formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here you have to know what is a, first term, and what is d. N we know 24. So we go for the solution now. An is equal to 3 plus 2n. To find the first term, what you will do? You should put 1 in the place of n. Therefore a1 is equal to 3 plus 2 into 1. What will you get? 2. Therefore first term is 3 plus 2, 5. Next a2. Same way, 3 plus, in the place of n you have to put 2. Therefore 2 into 2. 3 plus 2 2s are 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Then a3. So it goes on. Now you got the first number, second number and third number, 5, 7, 9. So 5, 7, 9, you see the common difference is 7 minus 5 is equal to 9 minus 7 and 11 minus 9 and so on. So the common difference is 2. So it forms an AP. Then n is equals to 24, a is equals to 5, d is equals to 2, S24. Before S24 you should know the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So you have to write Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In the place of n you should write 24. Therefore n by 2, 24 by 2. 2a, 2 into 5 plus n minus 1, 24 minus 1 into d, d is 2. Now 24 by 2, you know 2 table, 2 1s are, 2 12s are, 2 12s are. Now 2 5s are 10 plus 24 minus 1 is 23, 23 2s are 46. Now 12 into 10 plus 46, 10 plus 46 is 56. 12 into 56 you get 672. So sum of first 24 terms is 672. So you should find A1, A2, A3 and check whether it forms an AP, and you know A, you know D, and N you know 24 terms. Therefore using Sn formula you have to find sum of first 24 terms, 672. Next one, a manufacturer of TV sets produce 600 sets in the third year and 700 sets in the 7th year. Assuming that the production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year. Find the production in the first year, the production in the 10th year and total production in the first 7 years. So you should note down 3 questions are there. Production in the first year, that means A1, that is A you should find. Production in the 10th year means 10th term, that is A10 you should find using the formula An is equal to n plus a plus n minus 1 into d. Now total means sum of 7 years, that is S7. S7 you can find Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now you have to go here. A3 is equal to 600 because third year 600 sets, 7th year 700 sets. So A3 is 600, A7 is 700. Now A3, what is the general term of A3? A plus 2D is equal to 600. What is the general term of A7? A plus 6D is equal to 700. How to solve this? You know, by elimination method. So when you subtract A and A will get cancelled, and 6D minus 2D you will get 4D is equal to 700 minus 600 is 100. Therefore D is equal to 100 by 4. 100 by 4 is 25. So what is D now? D is 25. Now after finding D, you substitute in any one of the equation. A plus 2D is equal to 600. A plus 2 into D is 225s are 50. A plus 50 is equal to 600. A is equal to 600 minus 50. A is equal to 550. Then the production of TV set in the first year is 50. So one question got the answer. First year is 550. Now we go for 10th year. 10th year means A10. A10 general term is A plus 9D. A is 550 plus 9 into difference is 25. So when you multiply 550 plus 9 into 25, you will get 9 5s of 45, carry 4, 225. 550 plus 225, you will get 775. Then production of TV sets in the 10th year is 775. Now we go for the third question, S7. S7, as I told, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, S7 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2 into a, 2 into 550 plus n minus 1, 7 minus 1 into d. So when you simplify, you will get 4375. So the total production in 7 years is 4375. This third main. There are 9 problems, each one are different. So first given is A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, An is equals to 50. And what's the question asked? You should find N and also Sn. So write down what is given. A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, An is equals to 50, N question mark, Sn question mark. Now you should find N. N means you have to use ulta formula. A plus N minus 1 into D is equals to An. 5 plus N minus 1 into 3 is equal to 50. 5 plus, you know how to multiply this, 3n minus 3 is equals to 50. So 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 plus 3n is equals to 50. 3n is equal to 50 minus 2. 3n is equal to 50 minus 2 is 48. Therefore, n is equal to 48 by 3. N is equal to 16. As you find n, you can very easily find using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. Here we need not use the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we are supposed to use n by 2 into a plus L. So n is 16 by 2 into a. What is a for us? 5 plus L. What is L? 50. Now you know 2 table. 2 1s are 2 8s are. Therefore, 8 into 55. So 8 into 55 is 440. So Sn is equal to. So here you have to write S16. S16 is equal to 440. Come to the second problem. Given A is equal to 7, A13 is equal to 35. Find D and S13. So this is little different. Previously we found N and Sn. Here we have to find common difference and S13. Again you see A is given and the last term is nth term is given. When nth term is given, you have to use ulta formula. So what's the general term of A13? A plus 12D. A plus 12D is equal to 13. A13. A is 7. 7 plus 12D is equal to 35. It is given. 12D is equal to 35 minus 7. Therefore, 12D is equal to 12D is equals to 28, D is equals to 28 by 12. Therefore, 4 table, 4 3s are, 4 7s are. Therefore, D is equal to 7 by 3. Now, we have to find S13. So, S13 we can go directly using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. S13 is equal to, n is 13, we already know from A13. A13 means an there, n is 13. 13 by 2 into a is 7 plus last term an is 35. A13 is 35. Therefore, 13 by 2 into 42. 2 1s are, 2 21s are. Therefore, S13 is equal to 213. Next model. We will see. Before that, previously 10 problems are there in third main and each one different model only, but I have sent all the models to you. So you go through it. If there is doubt, you can contact me. Now the fourth problem, it's a very important problem in point of a public examination. So note down carefully. How many terms of AP 9, 17, 25 ... must be taken to give a sum of 636? How many terms? How many terms means n question mark. And AP is given to you. And sum is also given. When you add all those numbers, you are getting 636. Now 9 plus 17 plus 25 ... all these sum is equal to 636. Therefore, you should find, you know A is 9, D is A2 minus A1, and D is equal to 17 minus 9, D is equals to 8. So here Sn they have given, Sn is equal to 636 and n we should find. Always when you want to find n, a, d, you have to use ulta formula. So here also Sn formula you write left side, right side, and right side formula left side. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to Sn. N by 2 into 2 into a is 9 plus n minus 1 into 8, that is equal to 636. Now you see here 2 into 9, here also in this term 8 is there. 8 is a multiple of 2. So what shall we do? 2 4s are 8. From that 2 we will take out. These 2 commonly we take it out. So n by 2 into 2. So leftover is only 9 plus n minus 1 into 2 4s are, that 2 has come out already. Therefore only 4 is written here. Therefore n into 9 plus n minus 1 into 4 is equal to 636. So n into 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 plus 4n is equal to 636. Now you multiply here n into 5, 5n, n into 5, 5n. First number you should write, then variable. Plus 4n into n. See here double n are there. n into n, n square. 4n into n, 4n square is equal to 636. So 5n plus 4n square, this is plus 636 on the other side. When you bring to the left side, it becomes minus 636 is equal to 0. 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. You should arrange in a quadratic form. Quadratic means ax square plus bx plus c form. First degree 2 and then degree 1 and then constant. Now you have to go for sum and product. So how to split this? A into c will give you product and 5 is the sum. So when you multiply 636 into 4, you will get 2544. For 2544, you have to go for L method, and in 9th standard I have taught you how to group that. So find out and you will get 4n square. These two are the factors. When you multiply 48 and 53, you will get 2544. Therefore, 4n square minus 48n plus 53n minus 636 is equal to 0. Now there are 4 terms. Please group it. When you group it, 4n square minus 48n one group and 53n and minus 636 other group. So now in these two, what is common? 4n is common. 4n. What is left over here? N minus 4 12s are 48. Then n has already come out. Plus in these two, 53 is common. 53 if you take out. Here n is not there, so we did not take n out. Only number 53, and what is left over here? N minus 12 is equal to 0. So now you will get 4n into n minus 12 plus 53 into n minus 12 is equal to 0. So now n minus 12 and n minus 12 common. Common numbers you take it out, and what is left over here? 4n plus 53 is equal to 0. How to solve this? N minus 12 is equal to 0, n is equal to 0 plus 12. N is equal to 12. 4n plus 53 is equal to 0. 4n is equal to 0 minus 53, n is equal to minus 53 by 4. N cannot be negative, so it is rejected. So number of terms is 12.